Hi friends, we have another Piggy and Gerald story. And this one, Pigs Makes Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Oh, he's got a lot of tissues. Oh, I wonder. Uh-oh, look at Gerald sneezing away. Pigs make me sneeze. Huh? Gerald! Look, Piggy doing a cartwheel. And Gerald waiting for his favorite friend. What do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Oh, look, poor Piggy tumbled in the air. Sniff. Ooh. Are you okay? I don't know. Choo! Gerald is not using his chicken wing, friends. Gerald needs to use that chicken wing. I don't know. I don't like how he's sneezing all over poor Piggy. Oh, look at Piggy. I cannot stop. Choo! Sneezing. Oh no. Uh-oh. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Oh no, poor Piggy. Well, poor Gerald too. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry, Piggy. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Oh, this is gonna be a big one. Look at Piggy. He's smart. He got himself a helmet. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. A new character. A cat. Look. You know what that's called? That's right. A stethoscope. Sniff. Here comes Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Oh, look, Dr. Cat is listening to Gerald's heartbeat, making sure he is okay. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy, it's a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Oh, look, he's taking Gerald's temperature. Choo! Oh, look at Dr. Cat. And out goes the thermometer. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. But he falls. Oh, poor Gerald. He's so frustrated. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Now Gerald is listening. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Friends, I've never heard of anybody being so happy when they're sick. Piggy, 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 great Look at poor Dr. Cat. I have a cold. Good for you. Who else has a cold? Oh, poor Piggy. Look at all the tissues. Oh, and poor Piggy. Sitting here with his favorite bunny, thermometer, and a heating pad. Dealing with a cold. And that's the end. Pigs make me sneeze. Remember, friends, use that chicken wing when you catch that sneeze so that you cannot make other people sick. I hope you enjoy it.